Thank you very much for this opportunity where you have the chance of listening to me while I teach about letter writing. In letter writing today, our main focus is going to be about formal letters. However, before even looking at the formal letters, we'll have a general look at what letters are. When we talk about letters, letters are conventional written messages or presentation of speech from one person to another. Sometimes it is also termed as conversation by post and mail. There are two types of letters. These are the formal letter and the informal letters. As you can hear, formal and informal. Those are the two types of letters we have. Formal letters are official letters. These are letters that are written according to agreed rules. Some examples of these formal letters are application, recommendation, invitation, apology, and inquiry letters. On the other side, there are also what we call the informal letters. Now, these informal letters sometimes are called friendly letters. These are letters that you write to people you know. In most cases, very many of you have ever written these. They write letters to their friends, to their classmates, and to other people. As I've said, these are letters that are informal, they are friendly, and in most cases, sometimes they also call casual letters. This is because they are casual in nature. As I earlier on said, our main focus today is going to be about the official letter. When we talk about official letters are normally written to persons of responsibility, like those in offices and in positions that are respected. The content of official letters is serious and official. In writing such letters, one uses formal language without abbreviation, idioms, phrasal verbs, and also slangs. These are avoided in writing an official letter. What is the format of writing an official letter? If you want to write an official letter, while writing it, the address of the writer is written on the top right corner of your page, on the top right corner of your page. This address that you've written is followed by the date. Don't forget to write the date beneath your address. Then on the left-hand side, below the date, adjacent left of your page, the address of the addressee is written following the date, as I've said. When we talk about the addressee, we're talking about the person to whom you are writing this letter. Then it is followed by the salutation. This salutation is indented on the next line. It is pushed slightly inside. There is a paragraph that is kept for this, the salutation. The salutation is followed by the subject of the letter. This subject of this letter is preceded by the reason that is always abbreviated as ref. That means you write ref first and the subject comes, you underline the subject. After that one is done, you proceed, you continue to the introductory paragraph. This paragraph starts with what comprises the details of who is writing this letter. You give the detail of yourself if you are the one writing the letter, and also you explain or write about the aim of writing that particular letter. Another paragraph is that of the body of the letter. The body of the letter includes the details of the reason why one is writing. It can include some suggestions to the issue that you have raised in the letter. The letter then is concluded by an appeal to solving the issue raised in the letter. After that, the writer then signs off at the bottom of the letter by writing his or her signature. That is the end of writing an official letter. It is as simple as I've told you, and then in our next lesson I'll give you a sample of an official letter which you'll even find more easier and simpler to follow. Thank you very much. This is the end of the lesson. Where do you stop? Where do you stop?
I don't know.